Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made with an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down the song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Wasn't fire, wasn't rain. As in sunny days that I thought would never end. As in lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. When you look down, found me, Jesus, you're gonna help me make stand. You just get to see me through another day. My bed is aching and my time is at hand. And I want to make it any other way. As in fire, as in rain. As in sunny days that I thought would never end. As in lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Been working my mind to waste my time. My back turned towards the sun. Let's know when the cold wind blows when I turn my head around. Where there's an hour's of time, a telephone line about things to come. Sweet dreams and fly machines and places on the ground. Oh, ice and fire, ice and rain. As in sunny days that I thought would never end. As in lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. I'll see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around. That I see you, but I'm not sure to come back to me one more time again.